Welcome to Serial Radio Loopback Testing for Fuelight displays. Tools required to perform the test will be 2 metal paper clips or small conductors, small flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver for opening the radios and/or J-box. You will want to put the DM100 into loopback mode for each component once loopback is in place. This video covers several components, so we'll not show this in between each one. However, this should be done when performing these loopbacks on site. To put the DM100 into loopback mode, press Menu, then scroll down to Diagnostics and press Enter. Scroll down to COM Diagnostics and press Enter. Scroll down to COM Port Tests and press Enter. Using the arrow buttons, scroll down to RS-232, COM 0, and press Enter again. If loopback is not already in place, the DM100 will tell you which pins to connect. These pins are only for testing the DB9 output on the DM100 and on the RS-232 cable. To test the DB9 output on the DM100, hold the paperclip looped on pins 2 and 3. Verify the loopback test is passing by checking the DM100 display is showing the loopback pass message, which indicates a good DM100. Next, to test the DB9 RS-232 cable, insert a paperclip looped on pins 2 and 3. Verify the loopback test is passing by checking the DM100 display is showing loopback pass, which indicates a good RS-232 cable. Then remove the paperclip and plug that cable back into the J-box. Next, we have the J-box. Do a loopback test on the J-box. It is important to note the pinout prior to removing the cable from the TB2 test location. You will remove the wires on TX-P, RX-P, TX-N, and RX-N, and insert paper clips to jumper pins TX-P and RX-P together, and then TX-N and RX-N together. Once paper clips are in place, run a loopback test using the DM100 to verify it is passing. Once passed, remove the paper clips and connect the wires back up as they were before and plug the connector back into the J-box. Color of wires may be different than seen in this video, as it will depend on where the installer sources the cable. So make note of the order before disconnecting. To check the cable from the server radio to the J-box, remove wires on TX-P and RX-P and twist those together. Then remove the wires on TX-N and RX-N and twist those together. Run the loopback on the DM100 to ensure it passes. Once verifying, untwist the cables and put all the wires back in the correct order, then connect back to the server radio. Next, we will test the server radio. Power the display down before performing this loopback test if possible. Having the client radio powered up may affect testing conditions as it will continue to transmit and receive signal. You will connect RX to TX on pins 5 and 6 on the TB1 signal out. Verify the loopback test is passing. Next, the client radio. Remove wires from RX, pin 5, and TX, pin 6. This will be the white and green wires. Next, use a paperclip to jump pins RX to TX on pins 5 and 6 on the radio. Verify the loopback test is passing to indicate a good client radio. This concludes training on how to complete serial radio loopback testing. If you would like more information, please go to Daktronics.com/support to find manuals, quick guides, and knowledge-based articles to further assist you.